How to embed a video on your X account. So let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we start the video, make sure to leave the subscribe button. Now let's head to the video. So first you open the app, and for example I want to share this video, right? So I click on the video, and on the top right I'll find the three dot option. You click on that. Once you click on that, here you'll find an option of share video. Click on that. Once you click on share video, you'll find an option of post this. Once you click on post this, a link will show up. This is the same link of the video. It will automatically get posted in your account. You can add the text that you want to add here. Like for example, I added same, right? When I click on the post button, it will automatically get posted in my account, and this link will become a complete video, and you will be able to write your text which you want to write in reference for whatever you want to. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.